Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got some free files to share with you guys if you have Glowforge Premium. This is the big announcement that I told you guys in a previous video that I was working on. So if you have Glowforge Premium software, I think it comes with the free trial when you first get it. You can print as many of these 10 new designs that I just launched on there. Got about 11 other designs from a previous year that are still on there. People still use to this day, and it does well for them. So check that out. We got 21 designs to share for free just from me there, and I'll show you guys that on the computer here in just a second. I'll show you the 10 new ones first in a little bit more depth, since I already made a video on those other 11, and then we'll breeze through the other 11, and that'll be today's video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy the free designs, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright you guys, so we are on the computer now, and we are on shop.glowforge.com/collections/free-with-premium. This is the premium free designs on their website here. I will drop that link in the description below so you don't have to manually type all of that out. But we're going to jump in this kind of quickly because there's a lot to cover. This is what the dashboard currently looks like in the catalog. My designs will start from here and it'll end right here, and then starts up again here and ends right here. So these right here are all of the 10 new designs. I know that was kind of quick there, but I'm going to show you more in depth with these tabs up here, what they look like, and then I'll quickly show you the other 11 designs from the past as well, which won't be on the front page, and then these will eventually shift to another page as new designs come up. So real quick, these first 3 designs are the old school designs, the radio, TV, and camera. They're all kind of got the same theme here. So this is what it looks like after you add paint and stuff to it. It looks awesome. The regular one looks like this when it comes straight off the Glowforge, and then I recommend adding paint. You can then drop in money or candy. The whole top is open here, so you can do that for your kids. This is really popular back in Halloween. So on Halloween, people would put candy in them and decorate it around their house. Looked awesome. Then we have the TV, same thing. Here's the painted one. Here's the unpainted one. And then the radio, or the camera. The camera is, this is the painted one and the unpainted one again. It's great for markers on a desk. That's what I use it for. But you can use it for anything you want. Like I said, money, candy, whatever you want in there. And this design may look familiar. This one I have free on my website, freshstartcustoms.com. So if you don't have premium, you can get it there as well. This one is great. I call it the resting lid candy box. You can add candy or money or whatever you want, just like the other boxes I showed you. And then that lid just kind of rests on this little insert here. Then we have the Pop-Tart holder. You may have seen this make its rounds. It seemed like it was pretty popular, so I wanted to make sure I added this design for you guys. Everybody seems to like Pop-Tarts. Basically, you'll stack your Pop-Tarts in there, pull one out at a time, and there you go. It makes great storage, organization. People seem to love these little organizers here. And you'll see more of these with the older designs here that I'm going to show you in just a second here. So the next 2 are the 6 and 3 card, 3-tray card display. These were originally made for like baseball cards, Magic the Gathering, whatever kind of cards that you have should fit in these trays. But this would work great for like earrings or whatever other item that's this shape that you want to display and sell, like on like a fair sale or garage sale. So you know those little wooden cutouts or cardboard cutouts, and then you hang the earrings around them. This would be great for that as well. So I've got a 6 version and a 3 version here. And then if you're into DVDs, PlayStation, Xbox games, these all work for like the 360, the Xbox One, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, your favorite DVDs. You'll have to change up the wording if you're going to use it for one of the games, but it does fit all of those. The only ones that it doesn't really fit well is like a Switch games, because those are a little bit smaller. I do have one for the Switch, but that is on my actual website. So if you want one for that, I do have that as well. The next up here is the business card service display. So basically you're going to add your business cards over here, and then behind this you can add whatever you want. Like I usually write out of cards, that way people know to ask for the website or something. And then you can list like services over here. So let's say you do laser engraving, photo editing, etc. You can list all your services over here and put like your company logo up top. However you want to display this comes completely blank, and you can totally customize it to your needs. Next up, we have the family tickets. It's a set of 9. I know it shows 8 here. The 9th one is a blank one, so you can make as many of these as you want to say anything that you want. But here's 8 pre-made ones. You probably did this as a kid. You probably wrote down a little coupon for your mother or father and added it to their birthday gift or something. That's where I got this idea from. So you can make as many as those. So those are all the 10 new designs here that I made for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope this was worth the effort for you guys. I want to show you the other 11 designs here really quickly. So as I said, you'll see more of these dispensers here. These are always popular. This is the juice box dispenser. This one, actually, I was requested to make this one for a medical purpose. For a child here. That's where I came up with this design. It ended up working really great for them. I actually have this one in my fridge as well, so it works great in the fridge too. So what we have next, we got the popcorn dispensers. Same thing, kind of like that Pop-Tart holder. This gives you a better visual of the Pop-Tart holder as well. This is just a bigger size, and it works great for popcorn. So if that's your preferred snack, there you go. Next up, we have the gift box holder. This one's pretty popular. A lot of people print this one off, hand it out as a gift to a friend or family member. We have the round earring display, and then I have a rectangle one that'll be coming up here shortly. But you display your little earrings in here, like the studs. If you're into yo-yos, I know this wasn't that popular around this time, but I'm trying to bring back yo-yos. If you've ever done that before, you can actually display your yo-yos there. Next up, we have the gear-shaped pen stand. This one is a pretty popular design. I actually have this on my desk at my office, and with these exact pens in it here. So this one's pretty cool. I highly recommend this one as well. And then we have another dispenser here. This one's for like granola bars. It's made originally for the Kind bars. As you can see in the description here, it'll give you all the dimensions and what to expect from it. So this one's pretty popular too. And then here's the rectangular version of that earring display I was telling you about. Next up, we have just a standard pen holder, straight up and down. Holds about 10 pens there. Then we have the same pen holder, but we have added the gift card, or not the gift card, the business cards to it, so you can actually add your own business cards and pens on the same one. And then lastly, we have the 3-tray sunglasses display. And that's pretty much it. Those are the 11 older designs. So you have 21 designs to choose from me personally. But there's so many more designs on there from other awesome designers as well. So definitely check out all of those. But if you ever wanted to try one of my designs, there's an easy way to try it if you have premium. And then if you'd like to purchase more advanced designs from me, check out freshstartcustoms.com or Fresh Start Customs on Etsy. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I greatly appreciate your support. I hope you guys enjoy all of these designs, and thanks for sticking out the whole video if you made it this far. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.